Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. In the previous video we have discussed about the fields translation, like how we can make the fields translatable and update the values for the translated fields. So in this video we are going to talk about like how we can make the menus, fields label, and all these terms that are used in the module are translate to another language that is activated. So for this purpose, first you need to activate the debug mode, and then we need to go to the translation. And here we have two options, which is export translation and import translation. So you can export the translation here and all the terms, and then you can add the translation for the missing terms which are not translated, and then you can import it here. But I will not discuss this thing because I am developing a module, so I will uh, show you how you can do it through a module. So first of all, I will click the export button. So here I will choose the language for which I want to add the translation. Here I will choose PO file, and here I need to choose the module which I'm currently working. So click the export button and it will show me like download this file. So this is the file name, and it will add the Arabic language code.po. So we can just in order to translate like this files values, so let me just copy this to the module. Let me copy it from here. So here in the account module, I already told you that we need to add I18N directory for the translation. So for this purpose, in our module, which is this one, we need to add a new directory which is I18N, and then hit enter. So here we need to paste the file that we just copied, this one, and here is the file that contain all the terms that needs to be translated. So here try to understand what are the terms that we need to understand. For example, here you can see active. So we need to write the translation for this term which is used in this module. And here is the attendee sessions, which is like all the terms that are used, whether it is a form view term, whether it is a warning message, and whether it is a menu item. All these terms will show up here, and here you can see like the ID of the form view from where it is coming, and it will also tell you the model name. So here is the model name, which is contact, and courses, course description. So let me just add for few of them, like translation for few of them. So for example, first thing is to add the translation for Open Academy menu item. So let me just search for it, Open Academy term, and we want to make it like case sensitive. So here is the Open Academy menu. It shows like this is the menu item for which we want to add translation. So here let me try to search it, Open Academy, and here is the translation. So we need to just put the translation here in this MSG str. Okay, so the same way we can add for other field values or the menus. So if you open it, so we can see like this is the course title. So let me search for the course title. Okay, course title. So here is the course title. So we can just try to translate this term in Arabic, and then we will show you how it will show up in the translation and when we change the language. So this is done, and now we need to restart Odoo service, and then we need to upgrade the module so that these missing terms get translated, and then we will see. So search for the module, click the upgrade button to upgrade the module. So after the module upgrade, we will refresh the page and change the user language. So let me change the language to Arabic for this user. Okay, Arabic, save it. So after saving it, the page will refresh and we will see the changes. Okay, so here you can see the course title has been updated to the term that we just added. Here you can see, and let me try to see the menus. So here you can see the menu has also been updated. So if I click here, some of the terms are still the same that we have not yet updated. So this is, you can add all the missing terms and the translation for it, and it will get updated. And upon the upgradation of the module, so when you upgrade the module, all these terms will update it to the translation that you added here. So this is it for this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss how you can make the warning messages translatable and how you can add those translations using this translatable file. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go and subscribe to our channel and also click the bell icon so that you can get the updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you.